11.7 odds. I can find odds.
You're odd, Helen. I'm sorry. Thank you, Helen. Good job. All right. Odds. It's a ratio. Remember, ratios can be expressed 3 different ways. Fraction, colon, or the word 2. So odds, another way of saying odds, which is showing what could or could not happen, is what?
Odds in favor.
Odds in favor. So odds and odds in favor mean the exact same thing. Okay? To calculate odds, there is a formula. The formula is literally A to B. A represents,
Favorable outcome.
B represents,
Unfavorable outcome.
and this is the 3 different ways you can write odds, just like I just said. We said odds and odds in favor are the same exact thing. And then we said there is also odds against, which is taking your favorable and your unfavorable and you're just flipping it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what if I take the top number and the bottom number of odds and add them together? What do I get?
Total outcome.
Which we need for probability, right?
Yeah.
In a raffle, 100 tickets are sold, 3 tickets are winners. What are the odds of winning? So what's the favorable?
Winning.
So what's the favorable?
3.
What's the unfavorable?
-7.
If I wanted to convert that to probability, I just add the favorable and the unfavorable, and I get the total number of outcomes, which is what?
100.
And the probability of winning is still going to be that number
3.
3. Yes, no?
Yeah.
Okay, I change it now. What are the odds against winning? The odds against winning, so we're still looking for winning, right? But it's odds against. Yes, no?
Yeah.
So odds against is B to A. B is unfavorable, and A is favorable, right?
Yeah.
So I'm still looking for winning, but the favorable is now going to be on the bottom, right? Because only 3 people won that raffle. You with me?
Yeah.
That raffle, yes. D. What are the odds of losing the raffle? So what am I looking for? What's my favorable?
Losing.
And how many times would you lose?
97.
Because here I'm just looking for odds. So the favorable is losing, and the unfavorable is winning in this case, right?
Yeah.
Based on how the question was asked. Okay, number 8. The odds of winning a raffle are 31 to 47. What is the probability? So we need to take both part of odds and add them together to get probability. 31 plus 47 is 78, right? So what is the probability that you will not win? So this is the odds of winning. So this is our winning, this is our not winning, right? So the not winning is the 47 out of 78. And then the last one, what are the odds against selecting an X? So selecting an X is our favorable, right?
Yeah.
How many X's do you see?
2.
So the favorable is 2. How many O's do you see?
4.
So that's the unfavorable. And can you reduce odds?
Yeah.
Questions, comments?